sticks are over there on the stool.
Alright, you can work at McDonald's now, Carter.
How do we put this in?
He's gonna go that one first.
Hold on a minute. What did he go through first? Oh, there they are.
Where's the sticks, Bubba? Where's the sticks?
You sit and play on them?
Show him how they work,
Did
Mama.
he show you how to do it?
This one, look, buddy. Just gotta get some fry pans, Dad. Get some fries going. It's like Paul's drums. Oh. Yeah. Like Paul's drums. They sound kind of like McDonald's. Yeah. Carter, the window's open. His window's open.
Hit the button.
Where the button's at?
What button am I trying to push?
Don't pull it. Can you sit down and play the drums?
Merry Christmas to you, Brent, on video.
I ain't ashamed. It's my house.
Video? Years from now when we're watching. Say, what can I get you?
You can do this right here. We got the job on lockdown. Get some pancakes and chicken nuggets.
Oh, cold. Excuse me, sir.
Did you have a
Honk,
customer?
honk.
You have a
Honk,
customer.
honk.
Welcome
Can I
McDonald's.
have?
Can I have it? Can I get it?
Can I have an order of
Give
chicken
it to her.
nuggets?
Give it to
Can I
her.
order chicken nuggets? Thank you.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man.
You frying, Carter?
Oh, we gotta put it.
Should probably just dump them right out.
Pancakes. Yeah.
Fry up my nugget. Push your button.
Man, we don't have chicken nuggets right now. I'll have a pancake.
My fly machine is down. Oh, you got the.
Hey, get the pancakes. Put them in the box. No. Go like this.
Show them how to pick them up. Look, pick them up that way.
Yeah, put them in.
Sir, I want a Happy Meal now.
I'll just pick them up with your hand, man.
That's what they do.
Yeah.
Got a complicated order.
What is this? Oh.
Whoa.
Hey, man.
Oh, he sees
Saw the
something.
truck.
Oh, he just saw
He
something.
saw
Whoa,
Whoa, what is that?
see? So that's a big truck. Here we go. There you go. Look at the other side. This is the other side. Car. What's on the other side? Oh, do you see all those cars?
It's open.
Let's see how you open it. How do you open it? I don't know. I don't have glasses on to see how to open it. I would think it opens from the top. Opens right here, but
It's probably.
Is it taped?
oh, it is taped right here. Oh yeah, here's a piece of cardboard right here. Santa, isn't that Santa? Here. Where's the cardboard?
Here.
Come on.
Alright, let's see. One more tape. Carter, this is so cool. You might just, it's so cool you might get another one. Oh yeah. He's got one that won't stop talking. It's in the car.
Fire
A fire truck.
man, fire truck.
Do we need to cook this on 350?
Whoa, where'd that come from?
Some scissors, Mom.
Say we're.
Oh, here's the other one, yeah, it's supposed to get on 350. About.
Carter, can you say Merry Christmas?
Hey, hey.
She got it, man. You got the coins.
I got that big truck. Okay, hold on.
He wants the Target truck.
Who's that, Carter?
Watch
The
out.
door's even open today. That's sweet. Just walkways.
Did we get them all? Whoa, yeah.
We do?
Oh! How did you get that up here? Cars.
Push it. Can you push it? Say cheese. Can you say cheese? Huh?